Hello everyone, my name is Neha and I have done my advanced diploma in digital marketing and internship from Alok Academy. So if you are looking for a digital marketing course, then I will highly recommend you to AADME, because in AADME you will learn everything practically. In live classes, Alok sir itself teach you everything. And if I talk about course, if you have missed any course, any classes because of any reason, then LMS is the best. You can go back and watch any videos that you have missed. And not just that, they have an internship program which can help you to sharpen your skills. And after that, they have lifetime membership program which can help you to, if you have any doubt, you can clear all those things after the courses also. If I talk about support system, then AADME has the best support system. If you have any doubt, they will clear all your queries that and there only. If you have attended any live classes in your lifetime, this is going to be the best live classes that you have attended all over the time. The community, the people you will meet is just amazing. I am very thankful that I have joined AADME and I will get chance to meet these amazing people. So thank you. That's all from my side. And thank you, Alok sir, and thank you, AADME, once again.